Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to log into Zoom app on your phone. Before that, be sure you've installed the Zoom app on your phone. Now let's get to the point. Open the app on your phone. You'll see this page on your screen, and here you can see the sign in option at the bottom right corner. Go ahead and tap on it. I couldn't record this part of the video due to some privacy policy of Zoom, but don't worry, I'll guide you through my voice. On this page, all you have to do is enter your credentials. You can even sign in using your SSO account, Apple account, Google account, or even your Facebook account if you want to. Now let's get to the part where we enter credentials. First, you'll have to enter the email address with which you created the account. After that, enter the password that you created for the account. And after you're done, you'll simply have to tap on sign in. Now let it connect, and as you can see, we've been logged into our account. You can also sign in using your fingerprint ID later if you want to. For that, you'll simply have to tap on OK here. For now, I'll tap on cancel. So yeah, now you can start using the app. This is it for the tutorial. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for further tutorials. Thank you.